In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Patreon earnings and payout history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your revenue totals, how to filter your earnings by date, and where to review your past payouts, all from within your creator account. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. When the results appear, click the official Patreon link. A quick tip: make sure the address bar shows patreon.com and you see a secure lock icon. It's a good idea to bookmark the site so you can return to your dashboard quickly in the future. Next, log into your account. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication if you use it. Once you're in, double-check that you're viewing your creator profile. If you also support other creators as a patron, Patreon can show separate views. Look near your profile picture or account switcher and make sure you've switched to the creator side. This ensures you're seeing your own earnings and not your patron feed. On the left-hand sidebar, click Insights. If your window is narrow, the sidebar may be collapsed. Expand it or widen your browser to see the labels. The Insights area is your main analytics hub where Patreon gathers performance and revenue information in one place. Inside Insights, select Earnings. Here you'll find totals and trends that help you understand how much you've made over specific time frames. Use the date filters, 30 days, 6 months, 1 year, or all time, to quickly switch views. All time gives you the big picture lifetime earnings, while shorter ranges help you spot recent changes and momentum. As you adjust the filters, the charts and totals update to reflect the selected period. Depending on your setup, you may also see breakdowns by month or by product type, which is useful for diagnosing what's driving your revenue. To review what's actually been paid out to you, look back to the left navigation and click Payouts. This takes you to your payout history dashboard. Here, each withdrawal appears as a line item with the payout date, amount, and status, such as pending, processing, or paid. If something looks delayed, remember that processing times can vary by payout method and bank, and weekends or holidays may add time. You can typically filter or sort these entries to find a specific month or payment. This same area is also where you'll find tax documents and earnings summaries when they're available, which makes year-end reporting much easier. That's it. Search Patreon, log in, switch to your creator profile, check Insights for earnings with date filters, and head to Payouts for your payout history, tax documents, and summaries.